In the last video, we did the top. We found the axis of symmetry by using the formula negative b over 2a. We had our negative b, which is 4. We had a negative next to it. We had our 2 for a. 2 times 2 is 4. We had negative 4 over 4, which is negative 1. And that gives us our x coordinate. So this is what our x equals. Now define the vertex. We need to find the y. And so to find the y, we're going to plug the x in. So we know our x is negative 1. So we're going to have y equals 2 negative 1 squared plus 4 times negative 1 plus 5. So we know that negative 1 squared means negative 1 times negative 1. So negative 1 times negative 1, this actually becomes a positive 1. And positive 1 times 2 is 2. So again, you're going to have 2 times 1 plus 4 times negative 1 is actually going to become a negative. So let's cancel this out. This is a negative 4 plus 5. We have 5 here at the end. So we have 4 times negative 1, negative 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So when we go ahead and get to the end here, we're actually going to have 2 minus 4 plus 5. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3. So we're going to get a positive 3 for our y value equals y. So our coordinate for our vertex is going to be our negative 1, which we got from here. And then it's going to be 3, and that's what we just calculated from putting it in. So to find the vertex, once you have the axis of symmetry, once you find where that number is, which was this 1, this negative b over 2a, we plug it then into the formula to find out what our y value would equal. And once we find out what our y value would equal, we put them together and we get negative 1, 3. So the vertex for this quadratic formula, our vertex, we get negative 1, 3. And we can even go one step further. Let's look at this 2. This is a positive 2, so that means that we're going to have actually a parabola that opens upward. We know it's upward because in front of this 2 is a positive 2, and that means we have a positive. And we actually can go and find the range, and we could find the domain if we wanted to, but let's do that for another video. But at this point, we found our coordinate negative 1, 3.